Hi guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive supporters and subscribers, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Today is going to be a Throwback Thursday episode, and we're going to be using this product. It is called Amazing Mold Putty, and it's a silicone mix so that you can create your own resin pieces. Now what's in here are these two different products, side like this way, side A and side B. Of course you have to mix equal parts of each, or mix equal parts of each. At least try your best to make it equal. And it comes with instructions here, and it has a few things on the back to tell you what you need to do as well. Excuse me. And it says measure equal parts, mix thoroughly, roll over original, let cure for 20 minutes, remove original, mold original, and cast piece. Okay, so very easy to do, hopefully. So we're going to take these and try to get out equal parts, or close to equal parts. Let me get a popsicle stick. Okay, I got my popsicle sticks. I really wished I had something like this, but without the ridges on the inside, so I could use this to almost make perfect molds. But we're gonna work it. We're gonna work it the best way we can. So I'm just gonna use this to try and dip out some of this stuff. And I don't need a lot, I don't think. I'll see what I can do, and because I may be able to make two molds, and then I'm gonna show you which two I'm going to be using. So maybe I can have enough of this putty stuff to make two of them, as opposed to making one. So, like I said, I'm just gonna grab some more of this out. Is there anything on here to measure? No. Let's see. Okay. I think that may be okay. At least we're going to hope and pray for the best. So let me close that. And it says for 3 minutes, so let me get my phone. Let me take that out. Kenya. I'm going to, let me see. I always have to figure this out, how to set the timer. I don't know why it's always difficult for me to do simple stuff, but ooh, that's my ring light. So I got this thing, and I'm finna start it. And we're going to do this for 3 minutes. And what I will do is when my 3 minutes are just about up or up, I will be right back. Okay, I'm at about 2.5 minutes. So what I'm going to do is I chose these two pieces, the L and the V and the heart, with the 2 C's in it. And I'm going to see if I can't get this in half. And hopefully that'll be enough. And I'm going to try to squish it like this. See if I can get it to work this way. Do the same thing with this one. I think the L and the V, this piece right here seems to be a bit bigger. Okay, 3 minutes is up. Let me stop this. As a matter of fact, this is starting to feel kind of warm. So let me do this number here. And you're supposed to do it this way. That's a lot, but too late now. I'm gonna put it in here. Then I'm just gonna push down like this, because I want the whole thing to be, make sure I got enough. And I'm going to do the same thing with this C. I'm just going to sit it on here like so and press down. Like that. And I'm going to turn it over just so that it'll have a flat bottom. Make sure kind of good right there. And do the same thing with this thing right here. Come on. I do not want it to muck up. There we go. So 20 minutes from now, I should be able to pull these. Okay, that's the shiny side. Put that in there. Okay. There we go. Just push it down a little bit. Make sure it's nice and snug. And I'll be back in 20 minutes. But what I'm gonna do is let's do one for the remainder, because I didn't know that was gonna do so much. So I'm gonna do this again. Hopefully with not as much. Let me put a little bit more. Okay, that one and this one. A little bit more. Let me see. Okay, come on. Okay, that feels about right. So let me get my phone here. Let me reset. And the next, I'm going to do the person one and the perfume bottle. Let me see. If depending on how big they are, if they're big enough, I'll do a purse and a flower and a perfume bottle and a flower. All right. So let's get these together. Bam. And let's get cooking. And I will be back in 3 minutes. Okay. Because I have so little this time, and I hope it's going to be enough to do these really well. Once you feel this little one, like if you just have a little bit and it starts to heat up, go ahead on and start your mold process. That way you have less of a chance of mucking this up. Because at least it's still, it's still going together, and you don't have no problems, with it stiffening up. So let me put this down here, and I mash because I think that gives a better mold. Let me stop this. And I started my mold process at about just a little under 2 minutes. So it's 11:44. And so in 20 minutes, which will be 12:06, I will unwrap all of these. All right. So I'll be back when it's time to take these out of the molds. Okay, guys, it is 2:06. Let me do this. Look, it still won't act right. Well, act right. I just don't know what I'm doing. It's 2:06. Let me just do it right. I don't know if y'all be able to see it, but it's 2:06. And let's get these demolded, unmolded, whatever you call it. So this is the L and the V. Go, and there it is. This is the heart with the 2 C's, and there it is. There's the flower and the perfume bottle. Okay, flower, perfume bottle, or nail polish bottle, whichever one you prefer. Okay, and there it is. And last but certainly not least, the purse and flower. Purse and the flower. Now those came out kind of close, But I personally don't think that there would be an issue, but I don't like the way it swooped right there. See, not big. It's not, to me, right here, it's not right. So I would do that one over. It's almost like I may have moved it, you know, like you rock it back and forth or something. I don't know. But I don't like the way that is sitting. So that one I will probably do over at some point in time, just to make sure I have a good one. Alright guys, you know I told you I didn't like those other ones. So I went ahead and did these. And they're ready to come out. And that's better. There we go. That's a lot better. Okay. And okay. So I'm just going to show you what I meant. Okay, if you see this one, oh, this, you know, where is my, oh, I don't have my other lights. That's why it keeps looking so dark when I do this. You see how the handle is misshapen here and the bottom is misshapen here, and on here it's nice and crisp. That's the part I didn't like. So that's why I went ahead on and recast these. So now they're a lot better. So here they are. Finally, I'm actually happy with these. Okay, so now I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments are truly appreciated. Come back anytime and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye, love bugs.